Hey everyone, imagine you're driving smoothly, and suddenly your transmission starts acting up. Rough shifts, slipping, or even limp mode. You plug in your OBD-II scanner and there it is, code P0936. This code points to a hydraulic pressure sensor circuit low, meaning your transmission isn't getting proper pressure readings. In this video I'll explain what this code means, where the sensor is located, and how to fix it step by step. Let's dive in. DTC P0936 stands for Hydraulic Pressure Sensor Circuit Low. This means the sensor is sending a lower voltage signal than expected, causing issues with gear shifting and overall transmission performance. If this sensor fails, your car's transmission may struggle to apply the correct pressure, leading to poor gear engagement or complete failure to shift. If your car has this code, you may notice delayed or rough gear shifts, transmission slipping or jerking, loss of power while driving, check engine light or transmission warning light, or vehicle stuck in limp mode. Hydraulic pressure sensor is mounted on the transmission housing, near the valve body or transmission fluid lines. It measures transmission fluid pressure and sends signals to the TCM. Transmission control module is found under the dashboard, inside the fuse box, or near the engine bay. It controls shifting and pressure regulation. Transmission fluid pressure switch is located inside the transmission valve body, next to the solenoid pack. It detects changes in pressure and signals the TCM. Wiring runs between the HPS sensor, TCM and transmission valve body, transferring voltage signals for proper pressure readings. A low voltage reading may be caused by a broken sensor, wiring issue, or low transmission fluid. Here are the most common reasons for this code. Faulty hydraulic pressure sensor, low transmission fluid pressure, wiring or connector issues, faulty transmission control module, or clogged transmission fluid. Step 1. Check the hydraulic pressure sensor using a multimeter to test voltage readings. Step 2. Inspect the wiring and connectors for damage, corrosion, or disconnected wires. Step 3. Check transmission fluid and pressure. If fluid is low or dirty, top it up or replace it. Step 4. Scan the TCM for additional codes. If other codes appear, the TCM may need reprogramming. Step 5. Inspect the transmission valve body. Clean or replace if shifting issues persist. Step 6. Clear the code using an OBD-II scanner and check if the issue is resolved. If your transmission is shifting rough, slipping or stuck in limp mode, don't ignore P0936. Check the hydraulic pressure sensor, transmission fluid and wiring. This is IG Garage, your go-to source for car repairs. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.